Amazon plus Pinterest affiliate marketing, how you can simply promote your Amazon affiliate links using Pinterest for free. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how we can do Amazon affiliate marketing using Pinterest and how we can actually go ahead and promote our affiliate links on Pinterest. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is, of course, you will simply open up Amazon.com. So if you have an Amazon product and you have Amazon store, then it's good for you. You can actually promote your simple products as well. And then we also have Amazon affiliate program. So if you are an affiliate on Amazon, then you must have your own affiliate links. It's very easy to do affiliate marketing. If you have no idea about Amazon associates, what you can do is you can go to affiliate/program.amazon.com and you will land right here on this platform. So here you will actually get all the information about the affiliate program. You can see right here we have first, we have the sign-up process. You can join tons of thousands of creators, publishers, and bloggers who are actually earning with Amazon affiliate program. Then what happens is you simply search from millions of products available on Amazon Market, and you simply then choose the right product for yourself. And after that, what you have to do is you simply promote the product and earn up to 10% of commission, and you can simply, make money with this program. So how to get started, how to sign in or sign up? Well, you can sign up by this sign right here, which is given. So this is for sign in, but I'm gonna go ahead and create a new account for you guys so that you will have an idea as a complete beginner. So it's really easy to create an account on Amazon. What you can do is you simply enter your name, email address, password, re-enter the password, and create an Amazon account. Once you have an Amazon account, then you're good to go and you will be able to get your own, affiliate program right here on Amazon, or you can simply sign in. So once you do that, then you will simply get your own links. Now, where Pinterest comes in is that when it comes to promoting the product, because promoting the product is an important part of affiliate marketing. That's what we do as an affiliate. So what you have to do is you will simply go to Pinterest. If you have no idea about Pinterest, Pinterest is a social media and a search engine with millions of users that use Pinterest to search for different products, for their inspirations, and we can simply create a pin on Pinterest in order to promote a product, in order to just create these fun videos and pins and information. You can actually create anything on Pinterest, and it has a large audience. So one thing I really like about Pinterest is, and that makes it stand out, and why we use Pinterest for affiliate marketing, is because the people on Pinterest are actually looking for inspiration, looking for new products, trending products all the time, and they are the potential buyers. And one other thing is that Pinterest also works as a search engine. So when somebody searches something on Google, we mostly get the results from Pinterest as well. So that's really good for the SEO of our product. How to use Pinterest for affiliate marketing, or how to create an account on Pinterest? You simply can create an account with your email address or your Google account. Once you have your account on Pinterest, you don't need any business account, and we will not be creating ads. What you have to do is you will simply find this option right here, which is this plus icon given. And what you have to do is you just have to create a pin on Pinterest. That's it. Just simply create a simple pin. And this is where we simply use this method to do promotion for our Amazon products and for other products as well, to be honest, for all kind of affiliate marketing. And this way, you don't have to pay anything. It's completely free and very easy process. So what you need to do is you simply create a pin of your product. Of course, maybe create a fun video or review video of your product, or you can simply create a very attractive and engaging pin using Canva. You simply add the pin right here. Then we have to add the title for the pin. Of course, you can add the product name. After that, you have to add the description for the product. So you will simply enter the description for your product, add the details and everything. Then we can also add the alt text, which actually helps us with more keywords, and we can actually add up to 500 keywords right here. And then this is where we do the magic. Add a destination link. So what you do is you simply add your affiliate link that you have from Amazon right here on Pinterest. You will simply paste the link, and when somebody will click on the link, they will be driven to your product. Or if you're doing CPA affiliate marketing, then you will simply make money by just an action that's taken on your link. And this way you will be able to do affiliate marketing with Pinterest. Now, let me actually show you how we do that. Let me actually give you an example and you will have a better idea. So if we go to Amazon All, in here you will be able to find your affiliate program as well. Or we can simply go for a product. So I will simply get my affiliate product and I will just open it up and get the link. So I have opened up this product right here. This is actually a simple product, not an affiliate product. So what we can do is I just want to show you how we paste a link, how we simply make people visitors from Pinterest, how we drive traffic from Pinterest to our Amazon, how to create a pin. So what you have to do is, first of all, you can see this image is actually pretty good, or this image. So what you need to do is you can actually save this image to add to your pin right here. Second thing is going to be adding the title. So what's the title for our product? Make sure that you actually copy paste the product, because that way you will be able to add your product details very easily. There you go. We have the product name. Now what you have to do is, they're actually saying that it's pretty long. So okay, so it looks perfect. Now what I can do is I can add the description for my pin. Again, we can actually get the description from Amazon, and you can just simply go ahead and copy this one. Of course, it should be your own product, and copy the description, add it right here, and it will be added. Now, what you have to do is you will simply add a destination link right here. Now, for the destination link, you will find this link right here. So this is the link for the product. Now you can see this is actually a very long link. You can see this is the URL for the product and it's way too long. So what you need to do is copy this one, and I'll go to Bitly. We come to Bitly. Bitly is a platform that gives you the opportunity to shorten your links. And this is what we use to shorten our affiliate links. If any link is way longer than it's supposed to be, you can simply, enter it right here. So you paste it. You can see it's way too long. And then you simply click on create. And there you go. You just saw the link was so long. And now this is the link that has been customized for me. It's a very short link. Now what I need to do is I will copy this short link. I don't have to copy this way too long link. This is actually a very useful tool, Bitly. I will go to Pinterest, copy the link right here, the short link, and I will click on enter. So it will be added right here. Now I can simply go ahead and add the picture right here. Of course, save the word where I want to add it, and then simply go ahead and create this pin, publish this pin on Pinterest, and it will drive the users from Pinterest to Amazon. And this way I will be able to sell my product and make money. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. And now you know Amazon plus Pinterest affiliate marketing. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.